Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a fish. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw a circle. Now let's draw another two small circles for the eyes. After that, I'm gonna draw the fins. Now let's draw the mouth. If you are done with the drawing using a black marker or a black pen, let's draw the outline. After completing the drawing, let's erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Now I am going to draw some sea grass, water bubbles and water. Now let's color them. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.